Hey everybody, it's Amy from Let's Be Quilty Studio here in the ever-changing Pentwater, Michigan. So yesterday we were in the 50s. Today we made a dramatic change back to the sweaters. It's a little gnarly outside today. So we have the wool on just to keep us warm. Hi everybody. I'm glad you're with me. So we're gonna go over. I have a wicked glare on my glasses.
Okay.
Anyway, so we are gonna go over a couple of things today. So I just wanted to talk about the So Let's Make a Bag. That's my quarterly subscription box that is gonna go out mid-month in March, so a couple of weeks. We are still taking new subscribers, but we're running out of some of the boxes, so make sure if you want to participate in this So Let's Make a Bag box, you go in and choose something. I will have a picture of a few more finished projects in the next couple of days because I have a few people who are helping me make a few things. And then I was working out things with one of the project designers. So we were kind of working out a few things. So now we're all groovy and set. So Let's Make a Bag is called Organization Cubed because the foundation of it is this cube from By Annie. And I have it here in two colorways. I'll show you those in a minute. And then we're doing little project bags that are designed by me. So we have two zippered vinyl pockets, one on the back for little things and one on the front for all of your bigger projects. I will have a couple of size options in the pattern, but for them to fit into the cube, that will be the size option that I will send you all of the stuff for. And then the last thing is kind of a bit of a change. So this is going to be the Bonza Bionic Gear Bag by Sally Thompson. So Like a Rock Star. She has changed this one. It's now called Bonza. And it has so many fantastic options on how to organize inside of this. So I was waiting for some of the hardware to finish the inside, so we'll take care of that. But the big thing is that once it's unzipped, you have almost like a tray in the front, and then you have these tiered zippered pockets that have so much fantastic storage in them. And then the couple of changes, the upgrades that she has made to it is that she has put rods in a couple of pockets to give them structure, and then also Peltex in one of them so we can put some elastic, and then all of our like small tools can be stood upright and we can get to them right away. So it just makes this bag so much more fantastic than it already was. So I'm working on the new one with all the stuff in it, and then we'll show you what that looks like in the colorway, definitely in this colorway, the Lake Life colorway. So we have 4 colorways this time. We're doing Besties. So here is the cube in Besties. So we have like the vinyl window so you can see everything in there. One of the features I love about this particular cube is that you have the storage on the lid. So like for the small things, or maybe if you're using it to store one block of the month or project, you could put your pattern up there. So that's that. And then we have the storage bag. So this is the bigger one that's going to be in there, but it doesn't fit perfectly. So we're going to have options. So this will fit a bigger project. So that's the goldfish. Love it. And then we have the bunnies for the Bonza bag. So that's that one. And then this is Lake Life over here. So this one I just got done. I love this one. You can see there's bears in there. So it has the bears in there. I just thought that turned out great. And then our project bag has the lady in the canoe on the lake with the cute puppy. And then the trees on the back. And then the Bonza bag is going to be the floral with the orange and the polka dotty for the inside. And then we have Flowerland, or yeah, Flowerland. So this is so you can see it in the project bag. And then optional addition on the pattern is this little handle. So I made it really floppy so that it will lay flat and won't be too bulky. So you have that, and then you have the side that has the other pocket on it. With Flowerland, the big bag will be the red floral, and then the small petite floral on the inside. And then the Bonza type bag is going to be that floral with some companion fabrics. And then I'll put a couple of things in there so you can like kind of mix and match, and we'll talk about that in the tips and tricks video once you get your box. And then the last one is, which those are the samples that are out for making right now. So we have the Bonza bag is the floral, the stripe, and then we have the little petite strawberries for that one. Our adorable project bag will have these green birds, which are just fabulous in person. And then we have if you've seen other things before, you can always go to soletsmakeabag.com and look. The colorways are all on there. But the big cube is kind of a panel kind of situation, and I think it's just going to be fantastic. So, let's make a bag, 125 every quarter, and you get fabulous projects. I will have a picture of how these are turning out on the website, and then we'll put them on social media too. But I absolutely adore them, and I can't wait to put projects in the ones I've completed. We'll obviously have one here at the shop for you to see, and there we go. So that's that. So I had somebody requested. I got Layla Boutique's Old Glory. That is her red, white, and blue inspired fabric line. I showed you guys last week the Freedom quilts, and those are all gone. So what I have left is the Stars and Stripes. I'm working on that quilt to show you on the weekend. But it's just a really simple kind of quilt, but she's using all these low volumes that are going to go around the flag, which I think will be gorgeous. So I picked some really fun things. So I'll show you the top as soon as I get that done. But I do have those kits available. They are $95, and they are on the website. So yay. Okay, so that's Old Glory. I'm going to put that up there. And then I just got in Giucy Giuce's line from Andover Fabrics called Motley. I talked about it last time, but look at all those. That's how he puts them in his on the website. So that's a color order he puts them in. But these are spectacular. These are going to be so fun in a couple of quilts. So I have one out to make, which is Goldie from Then Came June. And there's a couple of other little things we can do with this, but I cut fat quarter bundles because they're fabulous. So great color sense. Giucy always does a spectacular job. We will be getting in his line called Ink as well. So yeah, so it should be up in the shop as soon as I get them in the system. So I'm gonna give those to Mark, and I showed you them as we're going. Okay, brown bag mystery. Hi guys. I so appreciate everybody who's bought a bag from So Let's Be Quilty. but I've had a lot of fun making a few custom bags. I'm still working for one, Miss Leanne. I will get back to you. So I do have, so I'm going to show you the bags I have left at the moment. I will put them on the website as well. Well, they are on the website. So if you go to solacbequilty.com, there's a brown bag mystery tag, and that will take you directly to the page where all of them show up. You'll also see the tea and cookies, little kits for the table runner, the extra table runner, which is dropping on Saturday, the 2nd. Yeah, the 2nd. So it's dropping on Saturday. So if you're looking for a kit for tea and cookies, head over there. I will put the pictures on post haste after we get done with this. I just finished making a few more, and let me know if you're looking for something in particular. I can always make you a little kit. So we have a Tula Pink, and it's 6 o'clock somewhere or something like that. Anyway, it's the Alice in Wonderland Curiouser and Curiouser, and it has like the hat and the tea and the mouse on it. Really cute. We have a couple of Tulas left. So this is from Pie in the Sky. This is Tassel Flower Red. We have one from Hibernation, which is the plum color. Thank you. And this is the Slumber Mouse in the plum. Really super cute. From the newest collection called Jubilee, we have the Circus Time. Yeah, Circus Time. Fantastic. There are a couple of Christmas ones left. This is Tosh Noel. And I'll show it to you that way so you can see the little stockings. So this is red and aqua and white and a little bit of green. And then the Layla Boutique, the Christmas Time. It has Fa La La all over it, which is really cute. Let's see. I'm going to pull this one all the way over. So from the new line from Ruby Star Society, which is called Rise and Shine, Melody Miller, we have this pink and orange sunshine. This is a really adorable Lori Holt, and it's kind of that soft plum color, soft grapey color with the floral. We have Love Lily, which is really bright and happy and wonderful. Love that one. These to Mr. Vanna. Oh, I have another one of those. We won't show that. Another Ruby Star Society. This is from Stay Gold. So it's the mauve from Melody Miller. I have a kids one. I actually have 2 kids ones. The dinosaurs are in the back. Well, actually, there's 3 kids. So this one is Tiny Little Cars, which would make an adorable kids quilt. This one is, I had 1 left, so I can make the dinosaurs for this one. So that's dinosaurs. And then the Heather Ross, and that is Lucky Rabbit. That's that one. So that's all I have left. I am not making any more quite yet because I want to see if we can find a good home for all these. So,
still making custom.
Still making custom, yes, correct. So tea and cookies. I have a Love Lily one left. And then I made this one. It's called Rustic Gatherings by Lise Bongine and Primitive Gatherings. I thought that one was really fun. This one I want to show you the back side first. So it's these pumpkins from Mia Charo. And then here's the front. So you have the pumpkins will be your backing, and then you have this floral with this kind of deep green, teal green for some of your pinwheels. And then if you are a cat person, we have the Ruby Star Society with the, it's called Backyard. And then the backing fabric has all these cute little kitties on it. So those are a few new tea and cookies that are out. So remember that if you are, I think everybody we had is registered, right? For Brown Bag Mystery, they're already on the site.
They should be.
So so all of your names are into Karen to make sure that you get onto the private Facebook group for the mystery. She wanted us to make sure that if you haven't gotten on there, that you've answered the correct questions and make sure that she can admit you, because the only way to get the pattern for the tea and cookies is to go to the Facebook page and download the pattern from that page. So it is available on Saturday. You'll need your triangles on a roll or your favorite method of making half square triangles, and we'll make an adorable table runner. I still will have kits for this week and next week, and then we'll see how many people still need kits after that. Mark is showing you something.
No.
Oh, okay. So Brown Bag Mystery is getting closer and closer to dropping our first clue, so we're excited about that. Remember that we have the All Michigan Shop Hop coming up in June and July, so I'll have many updates for that coming up, and always new things coming in, so come on in and see me. So our fall and winter hours will be coming to an end at the end of March. End of April. So remember, we're open 10 to 4, Tuesday through Saturday, and we'd love to see your bright and shiny faces in the shop or online. We'd love to see you online too. So if you have any questions, need to talk to me, email, text, all of those things, and make sure to like our page and share it, because that helps us tremendously. So we appreciate if you do that, and we'll see you next week.